again, my lovely gardening friends. How are you today? I'm Mark, I'm a biotech geek and your gardening freak. Today we're going to talk about a lovely kind of tropical plant that is very commonly found in garden centers, and I'm talking about the lovely poinsettia. The poinsettia comes from Mexico. It's its natural habitat, and it is very easy to grow. It has been introduced in the United States by a physician who was also a botanist and a diplomat, a US diplomat. His name was Joel Roberts Poinsett. And that happened nearly 200 years ago, so that's quite a long time ago. And in its natural habitat, the poinsettia reaches considerable heights because it is a shrub. It is a tropical shrub, and it's very easy to grow inside the house. And you might ask yourself if growing plants is a difficult hobby, but not at all. I mean, it's very easy to see whether or not a plant needs water simply by putting your fingers on the soil and to see whether or not the soil is sticking to the finger. And another way to see if a plant needs water is simply to weigh the container. So if the container is lightweight, like in this case here, the plant needs to be watered. So it's as simple as that. And another thing you can do to keep a poinsettia like that lovely up to the springtime is to add soil conditioners to the water that you use for watering your plants. So just half a cup will do, and you mix it with 1 quart or 1 liter of water, and you water enough to keep the soil moist at all times. And another trick for growing this lovely tropical plant is to put it in a place where there is ample light. You need lots of natural clear light. So next time we will talk about the medicinal properties of the poinsettia, and also we'll talk a little bit about the flowers, these lovely elegant star-shaped flowers that it makes. Until next time, have a nice day and see you soon.